Hello. Today I'm doing a little ASOS haul for nice formal dresses for my graduation ball. This is the first one. I thought the color and the kind of detail was really cute. It's like a doily, but it really just was not flattering on me. It looked like a huge curtain held together by a piece of ribbon, and it was not flattering. Next, I got this one sleeve kind of situation. I really liked it, but there was this really long piece on the shoulder. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but like where it ties on the shoulder, there's like this really long piece of cloth, and I just thought it didn't look good. Next, I got this jumpsuit type thing. I didn't see that it was for tall people, so it looked really cool and funky, but it was just way too long. I wish it fit better. It was really nice. This next one is a really cute kind of asymmetric kind of dress. I don't know, it's satin, it's stretchy, it's quite flattering. I really like the one shoulder type thing and one shoulder like long sleeves. I don't know, it's pretty unique, and I ended up choosing this one because I thought it was super cute. Next, we'll have a shoe break because look at these gorgeous heels that I plan to wear with the orange jumpsuit or the satin dress, either one. Next, I have this short little cute number. It is so cute and so flattering, and so, like, I don't know, it's just so cute. And I'm gonna wear this underneath my gown. So next, we have some accessories. Obviously, we need some of those. I got these huge vintage style earrings, as well as this other one, which is kind of a sun type thing. I did not keep that one. I had to return it. It was not my style, and it was way too big. Then I also got this layered necklace, which was super cute, and I decided to keep this one as well. A lot of things are from Reclaim Vintage. I really like everything they have. It's just like my kind of style. So thanks for watching. This was super quick, but I just wanted to show off. Yeah, have a nice day.